video where I will tell you about free Demat account for trading as a future option. I am going to suggest you in this video. So please keep watching. My name is Mahima Sharma and you are watching Tortoise Investors. So guys, before this I have told you many times that if you want to select best Demat account for best brokerage by own, you have to follow just 4 simple things. Keeping the 4 tips in your mind, you can select best Demat account. Now I am going to tell you 4 important terms, which is T, O, C and S. Now I will tell you meaning of all these 4 magical words. First word is T. T stands for technology. Second word is O. O stands for order. And third word is C. C stands for charges. And the last word is S. S stands for services. If you will check these 4 in broker, and if you able to find these things, then you can select this broker. Here third term, which is charges, is highly highlighted so much, and there are so many investors who thinks about this term so much. Now main question is why this happens, why each investor gives so much importance to this. So now I will tell you via simple example. By this example, you will come to know a lot things about the share market, and if you are a beginner, then you will never know these things. So let's take an example. Suppose there is a shop which buys biscuit of 1 lakh and they are selling it. Now if they want to earn profit and they have to sell these products at rate of more than 1 lakh, like when we buy any share, then we face some extra expenditure. After that, we sell that product more than the before rate to make extra profit. Suppose product costing 1 lakh rupees is what? 10,000 rupees goes to electrical and 10,000 rupees goes to housing. So now if we want to make profitable business, we have to sell these products at 1,30,000 rupees, and this amount 1,30,000 rupees is called break even. Now question arises, if expenditure reduces from 1,30,000 to 1,20,000 rupees, then 1,20,000 rupees will become our new break even. When we sell these products at 1,20,000, then we will make profit. Same formula also applies for share free case. Not only brokerages, but also we have to give many regulatory prices. Now question is, what is regulatory prices? STT, Security Transaction Test, which is 10.1%, and by the name of exchange fees transaction 0.00325 NAC and 0.00375% on VAC. Besides that, SEBI fees also applies 0.001% charges. If you buy share on stamp duty, then you have to give rent at the rate of 0.15%. Besides that, it takes 18% GST on brokerage. SEBI in transaction charges, if you calculate all the charges, then this number will become 0.11885%. Now it means if we buy shares of 1 lakh, then we have to give expenditure of 118.85 rupees as a tax. If you go to sell these shares, then you have to give DP charges in place of stamp duty. Overall, we are learning that if we are buying shares of 1 lakh, then 119 rupees goes to regulatory charges. Now, after that comes brokerages. In today's time, brokerage charges 20 rupees for buy side and also 20 rupees for selling side. It charges 40 rupees in intraday option trading. Now, if we are able to find broker to charges 0 fee, then we will able to save 40 rupees. and our expenses will become only 120 rupees because we don't need to pay brokerage fees. In this case, our break even will become 1,120 rupees and we can sell them as faster as we can, and also we can earn extra profit. For this, you only need to know free Demat account where you can find free brokerages. So now I am going to tell you about 3 best Demat account where you can find intraday delivery trading free of cost. Also, account opening is also free. In this list, first broker is Flat Trade. Demat account of this broker is charge free. You can open free account and also get free delivery. We are keeping this broker in third place because this broker is not well established. I am not saying this is not good, but the app maker are updating day by day this app and it is becoming good. And hopefully in future this will become best. Now we will come to second broker, which is Kotak Security. If your age is less than 30 years, so you can take trade free youth plan and you can enjoy this plan only for 2 years. And if you are greater than 30 years, then you can use trade free plan. Here in this broker, you may not get free delivery, but you will get intraday trading free of cost. Now let's come to first broker, which is Finvasia, which gives you free account opening, free delivery and free intraday trading. We have kept this at first number, but it doesn't mean other two are not good, but you can use them as per your comfort. We have also made separate video on all these brokers. You can also watch them. So please subscribe our channel and keep watching. And if you like this video, then please comment about which broker you want to know in detail. So we will also come in next video with this broker. Thank you.